Сафаров Турдымат, Жумабаев Аюбай, Базаров Қайнолда, Сасықбаев Ақатай, Жунусов Тұрысбек, Рахымбай Отыншы.
Pain through battles and years, the fighters brought the victory closer. And that day came, the trouble receded. Everyone was crying and cheering. Let us congratulate all those who have returned alive and bow our knees before them. We will honor the fallen with a minute of silence. They should be remembered by a generation. Thank you for everything. We have to say to them. Thank you to our fathers, grandfathers, for peace in Greece. Thank you to all of them.
Знаю, никакой моей вины в том, что другие не вернулись с войны. В том, что они, кто старше, кто моложе, остались там. И не о том же речь, что я их мог, но не сумел сберечь. Речь не о том, но все же. Эти строки Твардовского не дают уснуть нашей памяти и предать забвению самое страшное событие XX века — Великую Отечественную войну. Навеки врезалась в нашу память пламенеющая алой кровью дата 22 июня.
All in the bright day. I want to congratulate all those who are still alive throughout wars today, whose links with our lives are close. I mean those people who protected new lives from weeping of the earth, those people who rejected our enemies' efforts to end the Kazakh birth. So much of them were killed those days, but they're alive in our memory, and we today have all our grace due to the soldiers that continued our story. We thank them from the bottom of the hearts and wish them long days living. They served their right to live in comfort